Hey guys, I'm here with my friend Jackson.
Hello!
From my account, we made the Mr. Kitty's Shocking Adventure video. We came out here to play with a chunk of ice. Look at that! I don't know if you could see them, but there's like a line of birds. They're just flying. It's about winter. They're all in that tree. I can't zoom in, sadly. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I can't believe how many birds are there. There's like a chunk of birds in each spot. There's a lot of birds on that tree.
Where?
That tree above that house. Yeah, like the really tall leafless one. I'm getting a video of it. Sorry about that. But just wait here, okay? I'm gonna go get across the street and see if I can get a better view with the camera. Look at how it looks. Can't see the birds. But one moment. They're all right there and they're all flying that way. If you hear that chirping, that's them. See, there is some of them. Okay. Bye.